what it is. So what I'm doing, see, I started my wall right over here and we rearranging a little bit more. So I got a chute, goes up and over. Tested the LC on it, it worked great. So what I got left to do, I just T-framed it and put some sides. I'm gonna put another frame down here and then have another transition down there. Hopefully it'll be enough. We'll see. We'll see. Never know. But I don't know, it's looking good. I'll cut an edge on that and then I'll cover it with carpet. And then I'll put edges to make sure the cars don't go flying, because when I was testing it, I did have to go chase it a couple times. So, but that transition works good. Come right in off of there, come off, and we'll keep going. So it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be real nice. Anyways, that's all I got for now. I'm gonna get to working. Might do some montage on how this track's come along, because if you've been following the last 4 months, this has changed quite a bit over time. And we hit 500 subscribers yesterday, last night, so we're definitely chunking along. I'm pretty happy. Gotta thank everybody. Anyways, enough about that. I'll talk a little more inside about that. So I'll be right back. Peace. Alright, everybody. So we got 500 subs the other day, and so this will be my 500 subs video, and we're gonna do a little roulette wheel there for our 300th video winners. I said I would do that as part of this video, so we're gonna pick 3 winners to get one of these guys. So 3 people are gonna get those with the batteries to repair them. We had 10. Well, let me turn that AC off. We had 10 entries. You see them there. If you're one of them and you win, what you'll do is you'll just email me. It'll be on the About tab. So if you go to, this is the 300th video. You can see this is all you guys. So we'll get this out of the way and then I'll talk about stuff. So anyways, so to get in contact with me if you're one of the winners, you go to my channel page, About, and you'll see the emails here, so anyways, back to the roulette wheel. So yeah, I'll do that in a minute. But first I wanted to talk about what's going on. We're getting closer with this. I got my C24's got some detail work. I broke 2 tires on it during the build process, and I asked about bed or no bed. I think I'm going to do it both ways. I think it was Adventure Time said, hey, why don't you do it both? And then you can switch it back and forth. So I think I'm going to do that. So got a little more work to do, and I'm waiting on a battery anyway, so it's going to be a little bit for that. Now this is the Truggy we just put out. It's a red one, but you'll see in the footage when it's going to be a little delay getting that out. I blew up the motor. Originally I thought it might have been testing out the new Congratz 1550, but I put the standard battery in it and she went right up. I drove her for about 2 or 3 minutes and that was it. Hobby Wing's fine. It's just the motors. It's been beaten on. It's been a lot of skate parks. So other news, we got Congratz, thanks to Brian over at Brian's RC Stuff. He hooked me up with some contacts and they were nice enough to send me out some samples. This one I paid for, but we got a 3S coming tomorrow and we'll see where we go from there. Also, we're going to be getting some eugenics ergonics, I can't say it. Anyways, some other batteries along with these. They should be here in a couple days, and I don't know, we're moving right along. I'm pretty happy. 500 subscribers. I'm pretty stoked. Now we still got some views to get, but that is what it is. So anyways, back to this. So we're gonna pick up 3 winners. and those winners contact me, and we'll figure it out from there. So good luck, guys. Hey, cool. These tactics, nice, awesome. So the results will be over here, so I'll click back over once I get all three. So this is the second one. Awesome. G9, we're gonna have to figure something out. I'm not sure how to ship to you, so you contact me, we'll figure it out. That's awesome. All right, and on to the last one. Hey, Santi RC, awesome, bud. I know your email. I'll get that out to you right away. Awesome. Well, guys, so our winners are East Tactics, G9 RC, and Santi RC. So get in touch with me, or I'll try and reach out to you. I appreciate it. You guys have all been pretty awesome. First 100 subs, I was pretty lonely, but you guys have, it's nice to have a little community like this. So, and this is the one way I can say thank you to you guys. I really appreciate it. It ain't much, but these things are fun, and hopefully you guys dig them. Just it comes with the battery. If you forget how to deal with it, I do have a little video on it. It comes with one of these, so you'll be all set. You'll have to swap it out, but nice little project, and these things are little zippers, or you can save it the way it is. It's a collector's item kind of thing. So also Santi RC, I might as well do that. Why, it's double day, so I got a couple stickers for him, and so he's up on the board as well. He'll be getting some of mine real soon here, and hopefully we get some more. If anybody's got stickers they want to add to the collection, I'd be more than happy to. Well, again, thanks to all you guys. I really appreciate, especially the guys commenting, and that you don't know where you're going if you don't have people commenting. You don't know, are you doing good or are you doing bad? No feedback is not good feedback. So anyways, on to the next 500, right? I'll see you guys when I see you. You keep it ripping. Burp. Coming along. You get the idea. Funnel. Right along the outside, the fast lane. So, it's coming along. Hope you guys dig. Like and subscribe.